Hello, hi, and welcome once again to the Crestflow Energy YouTube page. And of course, it's time for how to. So today we'll be handling um, a particular function in the database, and that is how to read a tax reading, tax reading. And of course, tax reading is a follow up, is the output of the remote reading is the the output, is the result of remote reading. So remote reading is an input task, and the tax reading is the output of that tax. So basically what we're doing today is how to assess or how to check the remote reading we did or we've done. So of course, how to do it, first of all, we input the project name, password, and the verification code, and you have access to the database. And of course, it's a remote function, which means automatically fall into the remote tab. So, and we said is remote is the tax reading. So we fall into the tax tab. So you have various tax here, and we are particular about the tax reading. So you click on it. So you give it time to load, and you now you notice the various data here. So basically, these are the outcome or the output of all the functions that were carried out here in the remote region. So now this explains what I said towards the end of the previous session, that I will answer your question here. So this is the answer to the question. So all of the remote reading functions you carry out here, for example, remember we said is the current credit register, cumulative power consumption, and of course the dual source rate. So once you add it as a tax, where you see the result of this tax you've added is in the reading tax. So these data displayed here are the results of those tax you added in the remote reading. So this is it. Of course, you see the status, you see the sources, you see the field, and you see the various data received. You notice, for example, you see the 65 to 30. This is basically the tariff this particular meter is running on: 65 for PACN and 230 for generator. And this is automatically the current credit amount on the meter, and this is the cumulative power consumption. You see it here. This one here is the cumulative power consumption, and here is current credit register. So that is it. Thank you, and see you some other time.